right, so it has been fully dissolved. As you can see, it's completely it is completely clear. There is no agar just floating around. It's completely dissolved. So now what I can do is just pour it into my other jars. So be careful, it's hot. All right, so there we go. We are close to 3 equal parts. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now what you want to do is put the lids on. Don't fully close it. Make sure they are loose. Even though they do have a filter, they are vented. You still don't want to fully close the container. Make sure they are loose. And now what you need to do is take this into the pressure cooker and sterilize them for 20 minutes. I already made a video on which is the best pressure cooker for tissue culture. Go give it a watch. The one thing I can tell you is that electric pressure cookers don't work on 15 psi, which is what you need. They only work between 10 and maybe 11 12 psi. They may go to 15. That's when they start releasing pressure. However, they don't keep a constant 15 psi. So I will suggest to stay away from electric pressure cookers, unless there is one that is that can only keep 15 psi. So make sure to check the video out and use this in the pressure cooker. Now, if you have an electric pressure cooker and you don't want to invest in another pressure cooker, what you can do is take the flasks like this, put them in the microwave at 50% power for 10 minutes, and that is usually a good protocol to sterilize the flask. I have a very good success using that. Now keep in mind my microwave may be different than yours. Mine is a Whirlpool and it is 1000 watts and 50% power for 10 minutes usually works very well for me. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video. One other thing you can do if you want to put this on the pressure cooker, take your forceps and wrap them on some foil, as well as your cutting plate. Use a large petri dish that I need to wash. Wrap them on foil as well. So whenever you load your pressure cooker, you have your flask, you have your plate where you want to do your cutting or divide your plants, and then you have your tools, your forceps or your knife, and that's pretty much everything that needs to go into the pressure cooker. Oh, as well, some make sure to put a flask of sterile water if you're going to use bleach to sterilize your egg plants. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. If you're enjoying these tissue culture videos, be sure to follow us on social media for more informative content. And if you're interested in conducting your own tissue culture experiments, make sure to check us out at plantcelltechnology.com for all the products you need to get started. Use the code FP10 for 10% off your first purchase.